Hi, you guys, and welcome to week 9. So the most important thing I can tell you today is that you have an exam today, and that is due midnight. So that's a big reminder. I hope you're reading this if you forgot that you do have an exam. This is Monday exam day. So that's the most important thing I can tell you this week. The other thing is that I'm going to post a link to a paid fellowship that was passed on to me via email, and it's with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and they're looking for students. So I'm going to post that just below my video here. And other than that, we're moving along. Let me look at my schedule here to make sure if there's anything else. This week what we're doing is evidence of evolution. So we started evolutionary change, and now it's evidence of that evolution, chapter 13. So I hope you're still continuing on doing those study guides, working through those, because that's what's going to help you do well on these exams. So go 11A, and we'll see you next week. Do great on that test. Thank you. Bye.